Okay guys, I'm gonna try this hack. You see my nails? These are acrylic nails. I poured some dishwashing liquid in this bowl. I'm about to use some of this vegetable oil. I don't know how much. I guess that'll be enough. And then I'm supposed to add boiling water. All right, let me try that out. Okay, I got the boiling water in here. Let's grab a spoon. I'm just gonna grab this and stir it. Okay, I'm gonna soak my nails and see what happens. Okay, I soaked the nails for about 30 minutes and they're starting to pop off. I had to use one of the nail tools to start popping them off. So I just slide it under here and they started popping off, but it's just taking me a little longer than expected and it's a little painful. So it did work, but it's just taking some time. And my nails are pretty damaged too. Look at that.